Hi, friends. This is Katherine Burik with the Interview Doctor here on Geneva Taylor's website, TELUS Executive Search, to share with you some thoughts that I have on how to structure a resume when you've been with a company a long time. Let's say you've been with a company for 20 plus years, like a recent client of mine. He's a supply chain executive, been with the same company for 20 years, and now he finds himself in a position of creating a resume to look for another job. I have 3 points I want you to remember as you think about how to structure a resume after you've been with a company for a long time. First of all, you need to know exactly what you want. It's not sufficient to say, I want to be a supply chain director. You must know exactly what kinds of problems you want to solve, or you're able to solve, the kinds of company that you like to work at, the kind of culture. All of that goes into describing the kind of company that you want to work at, the kind of job you want next, because we're going to build the resume around that ideal job. Point number 2, pack your resume with accomplishments, measurable accomplishments, not just responsibilities and tasks. Everyone understands the responsibilities and tasks that any particular job is required to do, so it's not interesting. The thing that's interesting about any particular person's results are the results, the accomplishments, measurable, quantifiable accomplishments. You must have done something while you were there to justify your extended existence inside that company. So I want you to write those things down. Number 3, you must translate company A, your old company, into language and phraseology that is well understood inside other companies. For example, I had a client once who kept referring to the idea of standing up. This project was stood up the project. We wanted to stand up the project. I had no idea what she was talking about. It turns out what she was talking about was executing a program or a project to make a change initiative inside the company. Well, you need to say that. So once we translated the language that she was using, which was proprietary to her old company, it made a world of difference. So those are our 3 tips to create a really solid resume when you have been with a company a long time. Just to restate, I want you to know exactly what you want. I want you to have measurable accomplishments that support your next job. And I want you to translate the proprietary language from your old company into language that will be well understood by your next company or by organizations that are seeking someone just like you. If you want more tips about creating a solid resume, look me up, Katherine Burik at the Interview Doctor, interviewdoctor.com. I would be glad to help you create a resume that will make your past experience shine through to your next opportunity. And then once you have your job search tools in place, your resume and your LinkedIn profile, check out Geneva Taylor at TELUS Executive Search. And she will be able to work with you to see if there's any kind of way she can help you find your next job. We make a good partnership. That's what networking is all about. This is Katherine Burik standing by until the next time when I can share some resume tips.